How to find hidden chats on Viber. What's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find hidden chats on Viber. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Viber, and if you have hidden any chat, it won't be visible on your inbox. So in order to find your hidden chats, you first need to go ahead and tap on the search bar. And here what you're going to do is just search for the name of the person. And then once you find the name, you can just tap on the name like this to find the hidden chat. And if you don't see it, then you can just try to search for your PIN code that you have set while hiding the chat. So here I'm just going to type in my PIN code like this, and it will show you the chat. So just tap on it and it will automatically be unlocked. Sometimes you can just search for the name and tap on it, and then you'll have to enter the code to hide the chat or access the hidden chat. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.